Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make butter vegetable. Start by selecting fresh, firm vegetables and rinsing them thoroughly, then cut them into similar sizes for even cooking. Melt butter in a wide pan over medium heat until it foams, then gently add vegetables and season lightly with salt and pepper. Toss frequently for a glossy finish and test for tenderness before serving with an optional squeeze of lemon. Warm your pan and melt butter until it foams, then add vegetables in a single layer for even contact. Keep the heat at medium to medium-low so vegetables cook through without browning the butter, stirring every minute or two for a gentle toss. If needed, add a splash of water to create steam and finish cooking while preserving a bright color and tender crisp texture for a delightful side dish. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful cooking tips. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how I think about money, and I find it as satisfying as a perfectly buttered vegetable. It's worth a peek. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Season simply with salt and pepper while the vegetables are still hot so flavors meld nicely. Stir in chopped fresh herbs or a squeeze of lemon at the end to lift the dish, and consider adding toasted almonds or grated Parmesan for texture and richness. These small touches transform humble butter vegetables into a memorable side that complements proteins and grains alike, making weeknight dinners feel a bit more special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.